Hello my friends, welcome to another video. Today we're in the garden and I want to show you all how you can make some very cheap and interested things to plant your herbs in. Honestly guys, like you don't have to spend a lot of money growing your vegetables. You can go to the dollar store and you can find containers and you can make awesome little beds, raised beds, and you can plant all your beautiful herbs in there. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So these are the little containers that I'm talking about. You see the size of them? They're pretty, they're a good height. Let me see. Maybe about 4 or 5 inches tall, but look, they're very wide. And in here I have some cosmos, and I have some sage, and I have some lavender. Then I have another one here which I have some more cosmos. I have a few marigolds in there. They're just starting to bud. And then I have this rosemary in here, and I have basil. And I wanted to show you guys first because I planted them like a couple of weeks ago, so to give them an opportunity to well, not a couple, I actually planted them a week and a half ago, so they come up. I pinch the top so they can get bigger, they can get bushier. Yep. So yeah, this is what they look like. And this one is looking so lovely. This one has new leaves, and this one is looking so good. All right guys, so let me show you how I planted them. Let me tell you the soil that I use in it. First, I use chicken manure. I use some compost, my compost that I make. I use some bone meal. Yeah, and that's basically it. Oh, and I use some perlite inside. That's basically it, and they look fabulous. So let's go ahead and plant the little beds, right? Like, stop buying those expensive containers when you can get them for cheap. And these ones are really good. You can actually put a lot of things in them. I can't wait to see how beautiful they're gonna look once the herbs all take off and the flowers get taller. It's gonna be so beautiful. Let's plant. Let me show you how I planted them. okay, y'all, we finished planting, and yeah, don't they look good? They look really, really good. I'm really, really happy. Those containers are really cheap and they really hold a lot of stuff. But anyways, guys, remember to like the video so the video can be shared to many more people who are interested in gardening and stuff like that. And remember to stay positive and don't make anybody make you angry. It's just not worth it. So my loves, I'll see you next video. Mwah, mwah. Ciao, ciao, my loves.